Today's tool, Google Jamboard, is used by many schools worldwide to facilitate a better learning environment. Either by its screen display, in the classroom, or the Jamboard platform that can be accessed remotely across many devices. Since the Jamboard is a collaborative workspace, it's a great way to get a class working together. Jamboard is great because it offers remote learning too. With the collaborative experience 100% achievable through a computer from anywhere, courses are easily accessible and fully interactive. Use Jamboard as a whiteboard as if you were right there with the participants, no matter where they are. You can share your screen while working on Jamboard, meaning other users see what you're looking at live. This also means anyone in the video feed can watch along with you. You can keep working an equation on the screen while talking aloud to explain and have it written down for the participants to see. You could use it to break through cold presentations and make them less robotic with handwriting, and you can achieve this with your tablet or just your phone. We can use it to make lessons more interactive by, for example, putting a map on the screen and asking participants to pin a place. Perhaps asking questions like, "Where is something?" or "Where are you from?" With post-its you could easily brainstorm for ideas, make a copy of your work and continue to cluster your ideas in the next steps without fearing to lose your previous ideas. And above all, it is implementable with Google Classroom. But if you feel that Jamboard is not enough for you, you can find other similar tools on the web. One such tool is Miro, which you can find on Miro.com and see if that fits your needs. Here are 3 examples that we like, of how to use Google Jamboard. 4 corners. Prepare questions that have 4 multiple answers and are based on opinions. Give each corner an answer and ask the participants to drag their picture or name on a post-it note to the corner they feel connected the most. For example, you could use it as an ice-breaking tool with questions about your favorite kind of food and answers like pizza, homemade, sandwiches and sweets. Alternatively, you could name the corners in topics of interest and instruct the participants to choose one and go to the assigned breakout room and work in a group to find answers or interesting facts about the topic. They can write their ideas on their board to strengthen their case and come back together to present ideas. Animal icebreaker. Choose an animal that represents you. Then you describe why it is so in a sentence or 2. Alternatively, you could use it with anything, really. Drawing, writing stories on post-it notes, anything that can break the ice for participants. Word chain method. This is one of our favorite ways to motivate students to find how things are connected between them. You can divide participants in breakout rooms, or they can also work on it individually. You place some pictures or statements on the board, and the task here is to find what connects the 2 things together. You could post random stuff that really challenges them or something that you think that they could connect. Just know that there are no right or wrong answers. You could post a picture of dynamite and money and they could figure out that there is a lot of money in the mining industry or the Nobel Prize. The main thing here is to let them do the research and to explain their line of thought. The tool is fairly easy to use. But if you want a head start, there are a number of tutorials on YouTube to start. Just the last tip from us. Google Canva online whiteboard templates or Jamboard templates to get some great ideas. I hope this video helped you with what you do or inspired you to try something different. If you know of someone that something in these videos would make their job easier, share the video with them. And if you have some solutions you find useful that could help others, please share them with the community in the comments so we all can benefit from each other's experiences. And thank you for making this world a better place. Bye.